Hello guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I am Chandni Rajpal and I am here to conduct this masterclass which I'm really excited for. Thank you so much for tuning in. First of all, to everyone who is joining here, a very happy World Lipstick Day. I hope you're also celebrating it and to amp up the celebration. I'm here to share this beautiful sunset glow makeup look, as you might have read by on the post and the stories that we're creating a nice colorful look. And I've heard a lot about I've heard a lot people saying that colorful looks are more difficult to achieve than neutral looks. So I really want to hear it from you. If you think so, I'm here to change that for you today, because we're going to be creating a colorful look but also very easily, and I'm going to show you a really different hack for the same. So I hope you're excited too. I'm very excited for this live. So let's just wait for some more people to tune in and then we'll begin with it. First of all, thank you so much for joining in, and also I would like to tell you that there is a very awesome offer going on in which you can get all MyGlam products at flat at up to 50% off on Lifestyle Store. So make sure that you check that out. Also, I am here with my favorite bunch of MyGlam products and we're going to be starting the makeup soon. So just make sure that you share this live, and we'll quickly begin with it. First of all, we're going to start with eyebrows. And for eyebrows, I do have pretty defined eyebrows. I just don't do a lot to my brows, but I do want to just make sure that it's not sparse. I'm going to use this product which is from MyGlam. It's called Stay Defined, and this one is in the shade Ebony, and it's the high definition brow powder. I'm going to take my mirror, and I'm not doing a lot, trust me, it's just barely anything. I'm just gonna fill in the sparse edges. I don't really have scanty brows, and I really like how my brows are naturally as well. And for this look, we're going for something very dewy, natural, glowy kind of a look. So we don't really want very definition, which is why we're going to avoid black in every way. We don't want sharp edges, we don't want eyeliner in this look, so that's what we're going for. And now that I have that on, I'm going to just start with my eye makeup. And trust me, eye makeup is the most special and the most awesome part about this look. So let's start with that. I'm going to start with the MyGlam K Play Strawberry Blush. This one is in the shade Juicy Strawberry. This one is beautiful pink, bubblegum pink color. And I'm also, if you have any questions, just hold them on, hang them, and we're gonna answer all the questions at the end of the session. So just tune in till then. And I'm just taking the pink color and I will just start pressing it. Now this is a blush, but it's so pigmented and very blendable, so it works really well as a eyeshadow. And I'm just gonna intensify the pink. As you can see, it's just like a layer and it's bang on pink, which is what I really love about these blushes. And also it's very blendable too, so it's not at all difficult to blend them. And yes, we are creating this sunset look without any eyeshadow. It's gonna be just blushes and highlighters. Thank you so much for joining in, guys. As you can see, we have the base on. Trust me, you will be surprised when you'll see how quickly this look gets done, but also how stunning it looks by the end. I am going to use the K Play Peach Blush from MyGlam. This is how it looks. It is a beautiful peach orange color. So Hello, hi guys, thank you for joining in. And I'm going to take a brush, a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna start pressing that on my crease. I'm not blending it because if you blend it, it's not gonna deposit the pigment, and you right now wanna focus on deposition rather than blending. We're gonna blend it, obviously we're gonna blend it. It's a sunset look, it has to be really blended, beautiful. So of course we're doing that, but as you can see, the colors are so vibrant, so pigmented, which is why I absolutely love these blushes. Also, I'm going to show this blush on the cheek so you can see how awesome it looks even on the cheek, and it's not at all difficult to blend. Let me know what you're thinking about the look so far. Now I'm going to take a bigger brush, something like this, that's more fluffy, and I'm going to go back into the previous blush, which was the Juicy Strawberry from the same range, and I'm gonna pat it between the two colors so that there's a beautiful blend. In this look, we're not moving the brush at all. Can you see the gradation from the pink to the orange? I love it so much. Thank you so much. Thanks for the hearts. Thanks for the beautiful emojis. Really appreciate it. I'm so glad you're liking the look. I'm going to take the same shade on my lower lash line using a smaller brush, and I'm going to take the pink first. This is a very soft look, so we are avoiding black in every way. We are not going with kajal, we are not going in with eyeliner. But if you want any product recommendations from MyGlam, you can drop in your messages, and I will definitely help you all out. Just stamping that pink pigment a little more, and can you see how beautiful that looks already? Now my favorite step, which is gonna take this look to another level. This is the MyGlam K Play Melon Highlighter. This one is in the shade 01 Ripe Melon, and I'm going to take this highlighter. This is a very beautiful yellow highlighter. This is very golden, so it's gonna look super stunning on darker skin tones. And trust me, just try this one out and then thank me later. This is so gorgeous, especially if you're like anything darker than me. And right now I'm going to show you how you can use this in a different way, which is right underneath brow bone. And I'm using my finger, I'm not using a brush, because your finger really helps to blend in the pigment. You'll see how that just amps up the look, because it just blends in with the warmth of the peach color and makes the look really, takes it to another level basically. So just with these three products and no eyeshadow, we've created a beautiful sunset look. But of course we cannot stop it right here. We're gonna just take one last minute, and now we're gonna blend the eyeshadows. I'm gonna take the brush, and this is where the magic happens. You have to take the brush from the lowest end, and then from, with like barely any pressure, I'm just gonna do this. I'm just taking the brush back and forth, and I swear there's no pressure on my hands. I'm barely touching my eyes, and this is how we're gonna just blend it into the skin. The eyeshadows are the blushes are very blendable, so you don't really have to work a lot on that. But yeah, with that we are done with the eyeshadow. Can you believe it was so quick and so easy to create a sunset look? Isn't that amazing? Now we're gonna go in with this Manish Malhotra mascara from MyGlam. And guys, if you want any product from MyGlam, you can definitely check on the lifestyle stores, and you can get up to 50% off on all MyGlam products. Like this mascara gives so much volume and so much strength to my eyelashes. You'll see it in a minute. It's insane. Thank you so much for such sweet comments. So yeah, that's just one coat, and just look at the difference. Isn't it insane? I really love this mascara. I'm gonna repeat it on the other eye. And for the base makeup, I have some really cool hacks to share with you all. Because it's a masterclass, I really wanted that you'll learn from this class at least just one thing, but I really wanted this session to be helpful for you all. So I have got some really cool hacks for you. Let me know if you're excited for it. It makes such difference. I know that it's so awesome, so beautiful, and also of course I'm going to do a base now. For the base, I'm going to share this with hack. So I'm going to be using these two foundations. This one is my all-time favorite foundation. This one is my Glam Beauty Argan Oil Beauty Foundation. I remember it like by heart because this is the one that I reach out to almost always. I really love the formula on this one. This one is the My Glam TLC foundation, age-defying foundation in the shade Eternity. We're gonna start with this one, and I'm going to take just one pump of it. That's it. And this is the foundation that has more coverage. It has skincare benefits in it, which is just crazy. I really like how this sits on my skin. So we're gonna start with dotting the foundation on the center of my face. We're not taking it on the sides. That's it. So we've just focused, and it's not a full coverage foundation, so you don't really have to worry about that. And we have the foundation on the center of the face. Now I'm going to use the other foundation, which is the Clean Beauty foundation. This one has argan oil in it, which is what makes it really unique and beautiful. I'm just gonna draw like 3 stripes around the perimeters of my face. Now I'm gonna tell you why we did this. I am someone who's not excessively dry, not excessively. The reason that we did this like positioning of the foundations is because most people, including me, does get oily here. I do get oily here around the nose, on the forehead, but on the perimeters of my face it never really gets oily. So we can use a foundation that has oil in it around the face, and a matte foundation. It's not really matte, but yeah, it doesn't have oil in it, so you can use that around the center, your nose, and that's going to give you more coverage also. So it just looks like you have more coverage overall, and just see it real time getting blended. It's just unbelievable. If you like the foundations, definitely check out the My Glam products on the lifestyle store. You can get them up to 50% off on the stores. This offer is for a limited time only, so you might as well grab it. Can you see how quickly my foundation is blending and how flawless it's looking? Absolutely love this combination of foundations in this particular way. Hello, hi everyone who's joining now. We're done with the foundation. Can you believe this is going so quick? I am actually loving it. Also, tell me thinking about this look. We will start with setting the makeup and also using powders now. We use this My Glam Pose Age Banana Powder. This one is a really because nice yellow tint to it, which makes the face look a lot fresh and gives a lot of brightness to your face. I'm going to be answering all your doubts at the end of the session. We're going to have like a 5-minute Q&A before we wrap up, so make sure that you hang on your questions till then, and we're going to be answering them all today. And with that, now I'm going to use the blush. For blush, I have thought of going in with the pink blush. Actually, you know what, I think we should just mix both of the blushes, because we have both of them on the eyes also. It's gonna look really pretty. Can you see they're so pigmented but also very blendable. My name is Chandni and my Instagram goes by Chinimua Haircraft, CHINIMUA HAIRCRAFT. I am a My Glam Exo beauty creator and a very proud My Glam Exo beauty creator. Also, this one another hack that I always do, which is I take the blush along my hairline, because that's where I'm gonna be applying bronzer also, so it just, you know, blends better and looks really seamless, and we're all in for that look, right? I'm gonna use the Pose HD Bronzer Duo, and just gonna apply it and bronze my face. Of course, bronzing my forehead. I really like to bronze just this part. Now I'm going to tell you why I do that. It's because I have a huger forehead, so that really gives that illusion of a smaller forehead. And if you have a smaller forehead, bronze or contour area give you illusion of a longer forehead or a bigger forehead. So with that, we're done with bronzing. This look is so quick and easy and also so beautiful, which is why I really wanted to share this one. Now we're going in with the glow bit of this look. I'm going to use the Pose HD highlighter duo, and I'm going to take this shade right here and I'm going to apply that on my cheek. Can you see how beautiful it is? It's not at all, you know, like blinding, or you know, those highlighters that just are extremely dewy. It looks very natural, very glowy from within, and a very beautiful look. So if someone into that type of look, you will love this one. Just look at that glow. Isn't it gorgeous? It really looks like you've had your water, you're healthy, your skin looks juicy, and I am totally in for that. I'm so glad, Jaspreet, you like this highlighter too. I also absolutely love this one. So we're almost done with this look. How quick and beautiful it is. Okay, Okay, now we're going in with the lipstick. For lipstick, I'm going to use this My Glam Ultimate Long Stay Matte Lip Crayon. This one is in the shade Showgirl and is the number 11. This is what the shade looks like. It's beautiful pink color. We're gonna use this one, and again I'm gonna tell you this one thing. I don't know why this is, you know, a belief that the more pigmented your lip color looks, it's the more gorgeous. I'm gonna show you the other way today. We're gonna use a flush of this color. We're gonna use it as a lip tint, and you'll see how beautiful that looks. I'm going to take this lipstick. You can just take it on the back of your hand like that. This works wonderfully as a liquid blush too, so if you want to use it like that, you can definitely use that, because it's very creamy and is matte, so it's gonna stay there and not budge throughout the day. It's gonna make your blush a lot more long lasting and pigmented. Just look at that. It looks so good. It looks like a beautiful flush of color on your lips and is so natural too. So if you're someone who likes this finish better, by all means go ahead with this. What do you think about it? Do let me know in the comments. We're really almost done with this look. Thank you so much. I'm so glad you're liking this look, and thank you so much for tuning in and staying here till the end. Any questions, any queries, you can let me know, drop in right now. And if you want any product recommendations, I have my favorite My Glam products right in front of me, so you can ask me any makeup recommendations from My Glam. I'm here for it. I can share my favorite shades from them, so I'm here for that. Also, My Glam is available on textile stores. You can get My Glam products on up to 50% off, so grab it before the offer ends, and it's for a limited time only. Thank you so Suggest nude lipstick shades. Yes, I'm going to show you two of my favorite nude lipsticks. One is this one, obviously the one that I just applied. This one is shade Showgirl, and this one is My Glam Ultimate Long Stay Matte Lipstick. Another one that I use literally almost all the time is the one here. You can see it's literally almost finished, which just speaks for itself how much I love this. This one is the My Glam Perfect Curves Moisturizing Matte Lip Crayon in the shade Passion. And this one I've used in, I swear, like, I guess 80% of my looks. I always use this one or mix this with other lipsticks, but it's really nice. So yeah, I can just give you all a swatch of that as well. So these are the two lipsticks. This one is the Showgirl and this one is Passion. Both are very beautiful pink nudes, so definitely grab these ones. Happy lipstick day once again. Your favorite bold lipstick shade? Oh, thank you for the question. I'm literally sitting here with all my favorite bold lipsticks. My favorite red from them is this CU46. It's the My Glam LIT Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade CU46. It's beautiful and a really perfect red for Indian skin tones. And also this one called Slow Fade from the same range. Definitely consider these two out. Okay, Thank you so much for all the questions, and I hope you like this live. You found this session helpful, and you like the look. That's it for this. That's it for this session. Thank you so much for joining in. I hope you have an awesome National Lipstick Day. Thank you. Bye.